Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The Eiffel Tower was supposed to be dismantled after 20 years. The Eiffel Tower was built on the Champ de Mars. At the end of the 20-year concession granted to Gustave Eiffel, which began on the 31st of December 1889, ownership of the tower would revert to the owner of the land it was built on, the city of Paris.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Due to the fact that Gustave Eiffel was only given a permit for the Eiffel Tower to stand for 20 years, as it passed to the city, the Eiffel Tower was to be taken down in 20 years, but because it became valuable as a communications resource, it was allowed to remain in place even after the permit had expired.
Make your mark, take our lead.
It was meant to be temporary. Yes, the Eiffel Tower was supposed to be a temporary installation for the 1889 World Fair, held at Paris to commemorate 100 years of the French Revolution. It was ultimately never taken down because an antenna was built at the top of the tower to conduct wireless signals.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Originally intended as a temporary exhibit, the Eiffel Tower was almost torn down and scrapped in 1909. City officials opted to save it after recognizing its value as a radio telegraph station. The Eiffel Tower has also inspired more than 30 replicas and similar structures in various cities around the world.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.